Today I'll show you how to do BushX editing style. First, get your clips ready. Then duplicate the clip and remove the background.
Nothing but
Then put your comic overlay and trim it to fit in the clip. Do the same to all clips. Now let's put animation.
I was nothing but blood and bones.
Use out animation side slide.
I was nothing but blood and bones.
Use Zoom 1 or Zoom 2 on clips without overlay. Now let's add the Pulse 2 effect. This will give it the BushX style. Now adjust the effect. Put object to all videos.
But blood.
Now add keyframe on both sides of the effect. First keyframe stock. Second keyframe, set intensity to 0. Add in animation on the overlay clips. Use side slide in animation. And adjust it to 0.2.
But blood.
Now in the comic overlay, use loop animation called Dissonant Slam. Now let's add Gelatin Glitch effect. Trim it to its shortest form. Add keyframe again. First keyframe, intensity stock. Second keyframe, intensity to 0. Remember to use side slide animation on in and out.
Bones.
Now add rebound swing. And click object and click all videos. And lastly, add tremor strobe. Do the same as the rebound swing.
I was nothing but blood and bones. I was nothing but blood and bones.
That's it. I hope that helps you in editing. Now here's the finished edit.
I was nothing but blood and